Sanjay Dutt, whose life has been a series of battle and difficulties, received support from Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt, who visited the actor at his home after reports emerged of him having been diagnosed with lung cancer. It was a very bittersweet day yesterday for Team Sadak 2. Just after the trailer dropped before its online premiere, the news came in that Sanjay Dutt has been diagnosed with lung cancer. Now Alia Bhatt, who's worked with Sanjay Dutt in Kalank and now will be seen with him in Sadak 2, and Ranbir Kapoor, who played Sanjay Dutt in the film Sanju, both have a very special bond with the actor, who will now fly off to the US for treatment. Here's the story. Sanjay Dutt has been in Mumbai while his wife Manyata has stayed back in Dubai with their twins, where they were before the lockdown was announced. Sanjay, who had complained of breathlessness initially, was admitted to be tested for possibly having contracted the pandemic-related virus. Lekin further investigations have reportedly revealed that the actor is battling lung cancer and will be traveling to the US for treatment. Though the actor hasn't confirmed the nature of his illness, he shared a post on social media stating that he was taking a break from work for health reasons. Sanjay, who has been staying alone at his Mumbai residence, received a visit from Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt, who were spotted exiting his building late last night. Alia and Ranbir, who are both Sanjay's co-stars. Alia played his Bahu in Kalank and will soon be seen as his passenger in Sadak 2. Ranbir, who played the role of Sanjay Dutt in Sanju, is all set to star opposite him in the film Shamshera, which is yet to be completed. It was heartening to see the actor receive support from his colleagues in the industry after receiving this unfortunate news about his health. Sanjay's wife Manyata also shared a statement requesting people to not speculate and spread rumors. Manyata ने अपने statement में कहा है, I thank everyone who has expressed their well wishes for Sanju's speedy recovery. We need all the strength and prayers to overcome this phase. There is a lot that the family has gone through in the past years, but I'm confident this too shall pass. However, it is my heartfelt request to Sanju's fans to not fall prey to speculations and unwarranted rumors, but to just help us with their ongoing love, warmth, and support. Manyata also thanked everyone for their good wishes and stated that her husband is a fighter who will overcome this challenge as well. Sanju has always been a fighter, and so has our family. God has yet again chosen to test us to overcome the challenges ahead. All we seek is your prayers and blessings, and we know we will emerge as winners on the other side. We send the entire Dutt family our best wishes and hope that Sanjay has a speedy recovery and is back on a movie set very soon.